Alright, Angry Corporal Black. Next thing we're going to step here, we're going to dye the boots. You're looking for a set of dye prep. And honestly, if you don't have this, what you can do instead, get a cotton ball rag, wipe the boots all over, just get them wet. Because the big deal is, if the leather is wet, the dye spreads more evenly. If it's dry, it may react to different parts of the leather, or if there's any previous chemicals, polish, or anything. So at the very least, this is the best. Worst case, just get a wet rag. Make sure to get into all the creases. That includes even the gusset or the tongue of the boot. Proper name is the gusset, but basically the big idea behind this is if the leather is damp, this is the equivalent of ammonia when someone dyes their hair, is it opens the pores and allows the dye to penetrate more evenly. And obviously we don't need to watch me do this on the entire boot.